Hector and I are about to go to a car meet, I believe, in a parking garage, I think he said. We're gonna show up, we're gonna take our bikes there and go check it out. Is it at the campus parking garage, or? Okay. Oh, we got separated already. So Hector and I are headed to a car meet in the campus parking garage. We're gonna go check it out, I guess. I'm hoping there's a good bit of cars there and it's not just like five or six people. I don't know how he knew about this, but I've been wanting to like find a Facebook page or whatever group that has the local car meets so I could go to them for videos. Just never really found it, but he said there's one, so I'm gonna go check it out. I really hope we don't get rained on because it is pretty dark. The damn visor keeps fogging up. I had to crack my visor. It was getting too fogged up. Interesting looking truck. Guess we're taking the sidewalk. Is this it? Really? There's 4 cars here. Is everyone else late or does not know about this? Where is everybody? Where is everybody?
I don't know. I thought there would be more people here by now. You showed up late.
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
I will call you Mohawk.
Well, that fits.
Some flashy sweater you got there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yes.
Thank you.
I should get the Mustang in black and gold like that.
That would look really cool.
Yeah, just do like gold accents and stuff.
No, I'm saying wrap it in gold and then where it's red, wrap it in black.
That looked pretty cool.
Gold. Where the hell is everyone? I don't know. We said 5 o'clock. Everybody's trying to be fashionably late. That's
I
what
know
we
a
were
few
trying to
people are gonna be late for sure because they're like, want to be here till 9.
I'll go get my car just so that there's more.
Yeah.
Just to add to it. I'll park it right next to that one.
Got a nice car. Yeah, what'd you got, man?
It's just a Lancer GT, but like I made it look cool.
Yeah. Well,
I mean,
whatever. It looks cool. That's all.
Oh yeah.
mine's slow too.
What is it? Let me see here. Oh, black.
Yeah. It's a 05.
05.
Yeah. I have a Gixxer too, but I don't have a plate on it, so I didn't want to risk it.
I just sold a 2000. Like you started from like the back.
Really?
So well, you
Yeah,
don't start it,
drag
but it's
setup.
like it turns on all the electronics. So like there's an on-off switch for all the electrics.
kill switch.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And then you turn it on, and then you get inside, and then you flip the switch for the ignition, the fuel pump, and then you push start it, and then it starts up, and then you flip the switch for the fan to keep it cool.
Damn.
So there's no
Yeah, it's a
like
drag
keys to
setup.
it. There are keys, but it's
can show you.
completely bypassed. Yeah. Did that.
It's just an old
She
Stang.
just gave it to
Oh
me.
damn.
She made herself one too. I don't know where it is.
That looks really cool.
Yeah, here, there's a video somewhere.
Yeah, you wanna look for
Yeah, but it's set up for the drag strip, so.
Is it
like
road
all
legal?
fast. Huh?
Is it road legal?
I mean, I have have it insured and a plate on it, but
Close enough.
that's about it.
Play a song.
The bass will drop.
It came with
No, I did not. $200.
with the car and the music combined.
Damn.
The combination of the sound of the car and the music,
Yeah, you wear earplugs.
yeah. Just put water on top.
When you sit in there, it like massages your back. It gets really deep. It's a deep.
I'd be down to race it now. I'd be down to race it now.
You'd be down to race
On the
it.
bike, yeah.
That would be kind of interesting.
Yeah, I think that'd be pretty cool. I'm gonna get some cool shots from up here. Might fuck around, jump off. Should be high enough. Yeah. It's like a spoiler.
Yes, sir.
It's like
I
So
love
my head to decide if I'm turning gives it downforce.
I'll just walk home and grab my car just to add. Walk home and grab my car just to add to it. Well, apparently everyone else is coming later, so we showed up too early. So there's not really much of a car meet. Oh no, I might, they're all gonna go get food. I'm planning on going home to eat. But I might swing back around later and see if more people show up. Because I don't know how much of a car meet that really was. So I might try to come back just to see. Could bring my car just because it looks cool, but I know more about bikes than I do cars, so I don't want them to like ask me shit and be like, well, the engine's got engine. I got about 100 horsepower. It is cool as fuck. Damn. There's another 3. We're going on a road that opens into 2 lanes. Man, they got... Oh no, they didn't get separated. They went for it. Are gonna head that way to go to McDonald's and eat. I'm gonna eat at home, so splitting up. I am poor. I'm gonna wrap this video up for now. I don't know. Like I said, I might head back, so there might be more later. Not 100% sure. Actually, there's a Pens game at 7, which is in an hour or less, so I might not be back because I want to watch the game. So I'll wrap it up for now. If I do go back, then this won't be the end of the video, and I'll probably just cut this part out. If not, Sorry there was only 4 cars there. Everyone was supposed to be there at 5, but they said, like they said, everyone wants to be fashionably late, so cool guys can't show up yet. Thank you. So unfortunately nobody was really there. But hopefully something like that can happen again soon with a lot of people this time. I don't know, we'll see. But thank you for watching this one. And I'll see you in the next one, which is hopefully going to be recorded tomorrow. Peace out.